Hi y'all, if you're looking for a fun new toy to get your dog, definitely recommend checking out these Hedgehog dog toys. What I really like about them is that it's kind of like a surprise. When you get it, you don't know which specific hedgehog you might be getting. We got the one that kind of looks like a little bit of a watermelon, but it makes a fun like grunting noise, which is different from like your typical squeaker toys, which sometimes can be really annoying if your dog is really being aggressive and playing with the toy. So it is actually kind of more of a subdued noise, but as you can see, she's really enjoying it and keeping herself occupied as well. So definitely check these out. Again, it's a fun surprise. You don't know which specific one you'll get, but she's really liking hers, so definitely recommend checking these out.